Hi
Hello.
guys!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Today is a rainy day,
Rainy day
and
and
what do you do when it's a rainy day?
we go inside our home.
We go inside the home. And what do you like? What do you like to eat when you're inside the house?
Tanning.
Only kanin. What did you eat today?
Tanning.
Kanin only? Kanin or papaya? Did you eat
Kanin.
papaya?
Tanning with beef.
Beef? Say beef.
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 And
And mozzarella cheese.
mozzarella cheese. And what did you say a while ago? What did you said? Is that correct? I know. Sige. Oh,
Sit
sige.
na, sit. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And click the subscribe button.
Again, say it again.
And click the subscribe button.
Okay, that's all for today. Bye.
Bye.
Hit like.
Hit like the subscribe button and don't forget it.
Cat.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.